Merchant of Venice workbook, Act 1, Scene 1, extract number 3, that is passage number 3, page number 37, number 3, question number 1. Where does this scene take place? Where does this scene? Okay, this scene take place. So where does it take place? This scene takes place in a street of Venice. Next part of the question is, name the people who are present there. Name the people who are present there. In what mood is Salarino in this scene? So who are the people present there? Antonio, Salarino and Celanio are present in this scene. Antonio, Salarino and Celanio are present in this scene. Next is, in what mood is Salarino in this scene? In what mood is he? Salarino is in a talkative mood. Salarino is in a talkative mood and he wants to know the reason of Antonio's melancholy. Next question is question number 2. What would the wind cooling the broth remind Salarino of? The wind cooling the broth would remind Salarino of the stormy wind. It would remind him of the stormy winds present at sea and the damages they might cause to his ships. So, what would the wind cooling the broth remind Salarino of? The wind cooling the broth would remind Salarino of the stormy winds at sea and the damages they might cause to his ships. Question number 3. Give the meaning of "and see my wealthy Andrew docked in sand." So here Salarino, he imagines his cargo ship agrounded in sand and her mast lower than her sides, as if to kiss the sand. Next question. Here, what is the sandy hourglass? What is the sandy hourglass? In the textbook, you will find in page number 22, line number 26 in the notes. In the notes of line number 26, you will find answer to the first part of this question. Question number 4. Next is, in the same question, what would it remind Salarino of? So, what would the sandy hourglass remind Salarino of? It would remind him of shallows and of flats and the danger it can pose to his ship, as it may run aground. Next question is, when Salarino would go to church, what would he see? What would the scene make him imagine? So when he would go to church, he would see the building made of stone, and it would remind him of the perilous okay, of the perilous rocks at sea, and how that could break his ship and scatter all spices and silks. So here, this is the what question answer of extract 3. Now come to extract 4. It is whose dialogue? Salarino's dialogue. So let us do the question answers. Who has just said about that Antonio was in love? What was the reaction? What was the reaction of Antonio to that remark? So who has just said that Antonio was in love? Salarino had just said that Antonio was in love. What was the reaction of Antonio to that remark? So Antonio, what did he do? He remarked that it was nonsense. He remarked that it was nonsense and denied that he is in love. Come to the next question. It is Antonio says that he is not sad because of love. What explanation does Salarino give in the extract for Antonio's sadness? So here you will find Salarino, he concluded that he was sad. He said that he was sad because he was not happy. He swears in the name of the two-headed genus. What did he swear? He swears and said that nature has created strange people, some who look and laugh at anything, and others are of such sour characters that they will not smile even if Nestor said the joke to be funny. This is the answer. The next one, question number 3. What is meant by the two-headed genus? Who is Nestor? Who is he referred to in the extract? The answer to this question, question number 3, you will find in page number 23 in the notes of line number 52 and 58. So next, describe in your own words the two types of strange fellows who have been framed by nature. So how will you begin this answer? Nature has framed two types of people. Firstly, about that happy one, and firstly it is the happy one who laugh at everything, okay, who laugh at anything, and the other type is people with sour what? Character, who will not even smile even if Nestor told that the joke was very funny. Next question. Who comes at the end of Salarino's speech? Why does Salarino leave them? Who comes at the end of Salarino's speech? There are 3 people who come.